जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। जय गोपीजना वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। जय गोपीजना वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यमुना तेरा वनचारी। यमुना तेरा वनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। जय गोपीजना वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यमुना तेरा वनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद। श्री अद्वैता गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद। श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। जय प्रभुपदा जय प्रभुपदा जय प्रभुपदा Srila Prabhupada Jaya, Gurudeva Jaya, Gurudeva Jaya, Gurudeva Jaya, Gurudeva. हरिनाम संकीर्तन महोत्सव की जय, भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद महाराज की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे, हरि हरि बोल। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासां ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यां भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी। So, in advance, happy Gaur Purnima to each and every one of you. Those who have the deities of Gaur Nitai, please you have to do the Adivasa ceremony today. Rest the deity in the rice or any grains, and open only tomorrow when you want to do Abhishekam. It could be morning, afternoon, evening, whatever your time permits, because Lord accepts our seva the way we want to do it. So do Adivasa ceremony, and then tomorrow morning for Abhishekam you can wake them up. So today's chapter, victory of Hiranyaksha over all the direction of the universe. So, text 1. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudiraye. Nashtaprayeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhakti Bhavati Nashtuki. So, text 1. Maitreyo Vacha Nishamyatma Bhuva Gitam Karanam Sankayujjita Tata Sarvenya Vartanta Tridivas Divakashaha. Maitreyo Vacha Nishamyatma Bhuva Gitam Karanam Sankayujjita Tata Sarve Nyavartanta Tridivaya Divo Kasha. Maitreyo Vacha Nishamyatma Bhuva Gitam Karanam Sankayujjita Tata Sarvam Nyavartanta Tridivaya Divo Kasha. Synonym: Maitreya, said Maitreya, Uvacha, said, Nishamya, upon hearing, Atma, Bhuva, by Brahma, Gitam, explanation, Karanam, the cause, Sankashya, from fear, Ujitaha, freed, Tataha, them, Sarve, all, Nyavartanta, return, Tridivaya, to the heavenly planets, Divya Okshaha, the demigod, who inhabits the higher planetary system. Sorry, nose is running. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Sri Maitreya said, the demigods, the inhabitants of the higher planets, were freed from all fear upon hearing the cause of the darkness explained by Brahma, who was born from Vishnu. Thus, they all returned to their respective planets. Om Jnana Timmirandasya Jnananjan Salakaya Chakshmantamay Nam Tasmai Sri Gurube Namah. श्री चैतन्य मनोविष्णव स्थापित मेन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मह्यम ददाति सुपतंतिकं वन्देऽहम् श्री गुरु सुधा पदकमलं श्री गुरुन् वैष्णवां च श्री रूपं सागरजातं सहगण रघुनाथं विदन्तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजन सहितं कृष्ण चैतन्य देवं श्री राधा कृष्ण पादां सहगण ललिता श्री विशाखान्वितां च हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्ते तप्त कंचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. So without your permission I put my video on so that at least we don't become impersonal. That's the reason. So some of you want to put your videos on, you are most welcome, so that you will no more impersonal teachings, will be personal teachings. Maitrovacha nashamyatma bhuva gitam karanam sankayujitaha tata sarvenya vartanta tridivaya deva kashaha. Maitreya confirming the statement of Brahmaji that the demigods were very fearful, but after hearing the cause of this darkness, of that dense darkness, I don't know how many of you have really seen this darkness. Sometimes there is a complete solar eclipse, complete. It comes once in 12 years or things like that. In the daytime, 12 o'clock, you can't even see your hand. So much of darkness. So these demigods, they saw the darkness and they approached the right source. They never planned themselves. Let us run away, let us do this, let us do that. No, they went to the right source. And when you approach the right source, you got the right answer. But our problem is, we don't know where the right source is. And another problem that we have, we don't know how to ask a question. So many times we ask a question as a challenging. Sometimes we ask a question which has many meanings. So we want to check. Well, I have heard this answer from that Swami, that Guru, that Prabhu. Let me check here what this man says. If you want to enjoy your life, make a note of three things. Comparison, complaint, and criticism. Triple C. If you could avoid these three C's in your life, you will really become very peaceful. Compare. We always compare. And with whom we compare? Who is above in our status, economic or adhyat, we compare with him. And then we get disturbed. And then we start complaining. Left and right, left and right, left and right. As soon as eyes open, दरवाजा किसने खुला छोड़ा? Start complain. And believe me or not, 90% of our life is complaint. And mind you, when somebody is hearing your complaint and they have lent their ear to you, then you start criticizing. So compare, complain, and criticize. If we stop these things, our life will be sublime, we'll enjoy. So, Maitreya Muni said that these demigods, they return back to their respective place. So, let me read the purport of Srila Prabhupada. The demigods, who are denizens of our planets, are also very much afraid of incidents such as the universe becoming dark, and so they consulted Brahma. So it means fear is also there. Ahara, Nidra, Bhaya, Maithuna. These are the 4 basic principles for the living beings. So the fear is everywhere. And what is the fear? What if I lose it? Whatever I have today, whatever position I have today, what I will lose it? Could be a youth, could be a power, could be money, could be job, could be respect, could be fame. So when these things, all will become scared. Devatas got scared because they had the higher, greatest facility to enjoy the material nature. So they were afraid, oh, what happened, what happened? What if we lose it? So, you want to live happily? Never compare, never complain, and never criticize. Try it out. You will find the difference in your living. Prabhupada says, this indicates that the quality of fear exists for every living entity in the material world. Everybody. Padam padam vipatam. Every step, there's a problem. Now, the sentient being, they understand the problem. The fool like us, we don't understand the problem. So what is one day, another day, another day, another month, another happy birthday to you, another. We don't know that every birthday we are going nearer to something we might lose. So fear, different kind of fear is there. And you know what is happiness? If a small boy, a 4 or 5 years old boy, if he's in the market and he buys a balloon of 1 rupee, he becomes extremely happy. His happiness cannot be compared with $1 million. Extremely happy. And if that balloon is being sold by another boy, the seller becomes extremely happy. I could sell at least one. See, difference of fear, difference of happiness. And if he comes home and he has a younger brother or elder brother and he just pins it, remove the ear out, and he blasts off, the boy who bought it, he start crying. The man who punched it, he start laughing. Ha 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 ha, I have done it. See the happiness. Different happiness. Somebody acquiring, somebody selling, somebody is spoiling. And we think we are enjoying. So fear is everywhere. Prabhupada says, the 4 principal activities of material existence are eating, sleeping, fearing, and mating. I will explain that. The fear element exists also in the demigods. Now, this fear is the people who have the position. You have never heard Brahma and Shiva running out of fear because they have no position. They have been simply appointed as a controller. They are not fearful. When the ocean was to be churned, all the demigods came over there. But Brahma and Shiva did not come. You know why? They didn't need anything. They were complete Atmaram. They have given it a job. They say, we will abide by the laws. So the fear is everywhere. Now, our fear is different. I have a funny fear. We always think bad. Even nothing will happen. He said, oh man, jaldi karo, हमारी फ्लाइट ना मिस हो जाए. जल्दी से ना कहीं गाड़ी ना पंचर हो जाए. I had a beautiful car, Lancer, 70 model or 65 model, Lancer. So my daughter exam was there, the 10th exam, I think 10th or 12th. And I told her, okay, don't worry, I'll drop you. See me is the bus. I said, I'll drop you, no problem. So I took my car. After maybe 1 kilometer, car got punctured. Now, I got upset, but she started crying. I said, wait a minute, I'll change that. No, you'll take half an hour to change that. By the good luck, one of the passerby was, our known person was saying, प्रभु जी क्या हुआ? मैंने कहा पंचर हो गई. बोला फिर मदद करूं? मैंने कहा मेरी नहीं, ये लड़की को जरा स्कूल छोड़ देना. तो fear everywhere. ये ना हो जाए, वो ना हो जाए, ये ना हो जाए, ये ना हो जाए. और जिंदगी में जो हम सोचते हैं ना बुरा, वो 2-3% भी नहीं होता. ताकि 97% हमने वैसे अपना टाइम बर्बाद कर दिया. ये होने से, ये होने से, होने से, होने से. So Prabhupada is saying now, on every planet, even the higher planetary system, including the moon and the sun as well as the earth, the same principles of animal life exist. Otherwise, why are the demigods also afraid of the darkness? Again, I am telling you, demigods only those who are having the post. Other sadhu, santas, they don't worry. They know Jai Vidhi Rakesh Ram, Sahi Vidhi Rahenge. What's the problem? But those who have the position, too much. In our official, this one, generally what happens, that you are always scared, that, oh, what if somebody is appointed in place of me? What will happen? Be honest, maybe may not be, but what if? What I will do? And nothing might happen. Huh? So, same principle, otherwise, okay. The difference between the demigods and an ordinary human being is that the demigods approach authority, whereas the inhabitants of the earth defy authority. If people would only approach the authority, then very adverse condition in this universe could be ratified. Once in Lord Rama and Mother Sita were in exile. They were sitting under a tree. There was a light, small platform. Their legs were handling. They were shaking their leg. And Lord Krishna, with his arrow, you are just stamping the ground. Just a playful activity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But when Lord felt that, yeah, some red thing is in the point of my arrow, he looked at it, it was a blood. And Lord Rama got very surprised. Oh my God, blood. He came down and he looked, there was a frog. And frog is bleeding to death. So Lord, they can talk in any language. So the Lord Rama told, you foolish rascal, why didn't you tell that my arrow is hitting you? And frog laughed. He said, my dear Lord, I think you know nothing. Huh? I know nothing? What happened? Well, if somebody else would have done it to me, I would call you. Oh, my dear Ram, please come and help me. Now, if Rama is trying to hit me with the arrow, whom I will complain? That's why I kept quiet. So, sometimes we should know whom to talk, how to talk, where to talk. Most of the time, we talk without our turn. And that's it. So, we defy the authority. If people would only approach the authority, then every adverse condition in the universe could be ratified. Arjuna was also disturbed on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, but he approached the authority, Krishna, and his problems was solved. The conclusive instruction of this incident is that we may be disturbed by some material condition, but if we approach the authority who can actually explain the matter, then our problem is solved. The demigods approached Brahma for the meaning of this disturbance, and after hearing from him, they were satisfied and returned home peacefully. And how they become satisfied? They knew sooner or later Diti will deliver this embryo, the children, sooner or later. So until such time, wait. Titikshah karunakaha. Wait, let us wait. That's way of understanding. So, okay, I will take another 2-3 texts because there is no purport, and then it will become easy for our next preacher. I'll read only the sloka and translation. Ditisto bhratur adeshat apatya parisankini purne varshate sadhvi putro parushuse yamo. Translation. The virtuous lady Diti had been very apprehensive of trouble to the god from the children in her womb, and her husband predicted the same. She brought forth twin sons after a full 100 years of pregnancy. And how is it possible? Because of Siddhi. Because of Siddhi, you can do what you want. Anima, Mahima, Lagima, Prapti, Prakama, Sita, Vasita. So many Siddhis are there. So within the Siddhis, you can do uncommon thing. So Diti could hold these two sons. Why only Diti? Then Kayadu. In turn, when Palada was in the womb, she also withheld the embryo for 100 years. The reason Hiranyakasipu had gone for tapasya, and she said, no, when my husband comes back, then only I deal with the child. So it was possible. And nowadays, not 100 years. Nowadays, abortion within 2 months and 3 months. Jaldi karo. That is advancement we have got. That is the civilization we have got. Killing the children within the womb. Of no fault of theirs. Okay, we'll not talk of the karma part of it, but there is no fault of theirs. So Aditi delivered. Now what has happened? When they were in the womb, the disturbance already has started by the influence of the power. And when they came out, then they exhibited in full force. And all under Deva Netrena. That's what Krishna wanted. Without the sanction of Krishna, nothing can happen. Krishna wanted to play Leela or Varaha or Nrsimhadev. So, he just came, played the Leela. And these Leelas are, till today we sing these Leelas. We appreciate the Leelas. We get motivated by hearing the Leelas. They're the Leela of Krishna. And the Leela of Krishna is known as Katha. Katha. And when we talk about Katha, it generates Vyatha. Complete Vyatha. But we are interested in Vyatha. और प्रभु सुनाओ, बताओ, और क्या हुआ? अच्छा, भागवतम वो बाद में कर लेंगे, अभी तो टाइम है, अब बताओ और क्या हुआ? एक बार मैं देहरादून से एक कैब पकड़ी एयरपोर्ट जाने के लिए, और उनसे कहा भैया मुझे एयरपोर्ट छोड़ना है, लेकिन बीच में हमें मंदिर जाना है और आधे एक घंटे में मंदिर पहुंचूंगा, मुझे आगे अपने छोड़ देना। बोला ठीक है। तो उसने बोला साहब ऐसा रात की बात है, मैं अपने दोस्त को ले लूं? हाँ उनको ले लो। तो क्या हुआ, वो दोनों अगले सीट पर थे, ड्राइवर उसके बगला था, मैं पीछे की सीट में लेटा हुआ था। तो टोटल 264 किलोमीटर वो दोनों गाड़ी की बात कर रहे थे, कभी पंचर की बात कर रहे थे, कभी ट्रैफिक फाइन की बात कर रहे थे, कभी पुलिस वाले की बात कर रहे थे, कभी पेट्रोल वाले की बात कर रहे थे। पूरे 264 किलोमीटर दे वर टॉकिंग ऑफ नॉनसेंस। मैं बोलो भैया एक बात कहूं? बोला हाँ बोलिए बोलिए। मैंने कहा चुप हो जाओ यार। बोलो नहीं चुप हो जाओ तो नींद आ जाएगी ना, क्या एक्सीडेंट हो जाएगा, इसलिए बात कर रहे हैं। मैंने कहा करो भाई बात करो। यही कथा हमारे साथ हुई। जब हम रामेश्वर से हम जो है हमें आना था, लवली नेम स्टार्टिंग विद एस, Srirangam. So our driver was there. We had the family of Srikant Prabhuji and his brother, his bhabis, and we were there. So this fellow driver said, मेरे से बात करते रहो, नहीं तो मुझे नींद आ जाएगी. और हमने बोला नो प्रॉब्लम. तो हमने भी जो पूरी रात में हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र गाया. प्यार से नहीं गाया, डर के मारे कि इसको नींद आ जाएगी, कहीं ठोक दे हमको. तो खूब बारी बारी से हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र, और बोलो सब बोलो, जोर जोर से बोलो. तो ड्राइवर ने बोला आहा हा, बड़ा आनंद आया. मैंने कहा क्यों? बोला एक झपकी भी नहीं आई मेरे को. मैंने कहा भाई ये तो कृष्ण महामंत्र का भैया वो है कि तू तो बचा बचा, हम भी बच गए. तो कहने का मतलब क्या है कि वी हैव टू डेवलप द लव, बट आउट ऑफ फियर, out of love, even out of envy, Krishna listens. So Diti released the embryo out of 100 years, and then we know what happened. You know the kusa grass? Today I was telling my wife. You know kusa grass? Kusa grass. Very auspicious. India में उसका जब झाड़ू बनते हैं. That kusa grass is nothing but the hair of our Brahadev. When Braha came out of the water, he shook his body and his hair fall down, and those his hairs generated in the kusha grass. Who knows? Nobody knows. Who's interested? No one is interested. You know? Okay. प्रभु कितने का टाइम है? 7:30 से 9. हाँ ठीक है, आएंगे. No. हम भगवान की भक्ति करते हैं भगवान को दिखाने के लिए. भगवान पे एहसान. My dear Lord, you know what? I read 5 श्लोक of Bhagavad Gita today. एहसान करके. और दूसरा एहसान क्या है? अरे आज अभी तो 11 बजे खाना खिलाए भाई, और क्या, अब हमें पानी तो पीने दो. So नाम दाम चाम की प्यास है, राम की प्यास कहाँ. तो ये प्यास हो तो पता चले. देवता लोग संतुष्ट हो गए, ब्रह्मा जी भी संतुष्ट हो गए. दीति को भी लगा कि अब होगा क्या, भगवान का तो उनका उद्धार होगा, तो इस उद्धार के लिए मैं देर क्यों करूं? जब उनका होने उद्धार है तो इसके लिए मैं देर क्यों करूं? अगर वो चाहती तो कई साल और रख सकती थी, सिद्धियां थी, लेकिन नहीं. उसने बोला देखिए भगवान के हाथों जिसका उद्धार होगा उसको दोबारा नहीं आते. सो सी लेट इट गो. अनदर okay, I'll take another one also, so the next preacher will have no problem. 3 उत्पातभवस्तत्र निपेतो जयमानयो दिवि भुव्यत्य अंतरिक्षे च लोकशोरुभारो भयावह. Translation: on the birth of the 2 demons, there were many natural disturbances, all very fearful and wonderful, in the heavenly planet, the earthly planet, and in between them, where the Goyakaj, Charanadharaj, Vidyadharaj, they reside, Kimpurushaj. There also there is a great disturbance. So whenever there is a disturbance in our life, we can take 2 lessons. The 2 lessons are that maybe the time has come, my papa karma can be washed. Or the time has come for me to remember the Lord, because we might quit any time in the life. Any calamities they come. Sometimes there are so many symptoms happen in the body. We don't know exactly what's going to happen, but we have a sense, something is very uncommon, unreasonable, I don't know why. like the Yudhishthira Maharaj, he said, my left eye is quivering, my hand is quivering, the jackal, they are roaring and things happening. So some unpleasant news, come. And recently, very recently, my Buaji, she was a nurse, and in front of her house there is a tree. And in the tree, there are 2-3 branches. When the crow will come in one branch and do caw, 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 my Babaji said, oh, today some letter is going to come. And after some time when the crow will sit on another branch, she says, oh, some mehman, some guest is going to come. So you know something, symptoms are there, provided you read it very minutely. So, Kashyapa knew, Diti knew, Brahmaji knew, Lord Krishna knew that these boys are going to create problem, and then only they can get delivered. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashacha duskritam dharma sansthapanarthaya sambhavami yugi yugi. So, for killing the demons, Krishna does not need to come. Actually, he comes paritranaya sadhunam. So, in a way, these two brothers are also sadhu in the previous life. Sadhu means he would think of Krishna. So, Krishna had to come personally. Though had promised, and he came and he lived with them. So, anyway, today not much of explanation. So, I will conclude my talk here. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to be with you after a gap of some time. Hare Krishna.